everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be like a very quick sort of a video. I've never really done like a nail tutorial ever on my channel, but in the comments down below, my nails are like such a topic of discussion and I get a lot of questions about my nails, and also I found out a really like new quick method as to how I fix up my nails. Initially I would get acrylic nails done, which cost up to like 3,000 rupees each month, and that is a lot of money. Honestly, I don't even know why I did it for so long, but I finally found a replacement for that and I love this new method. It's so much cheaper. I think it's like 1/10 of the price or even less probably. But yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I do my nails and how I make them look the way they look. And yeah, let's just get started with today's video. So let's start by talking about the items that you're gonna need. The first one is a nail filer. Any sort of nail filer will really do. The second thing that you're gonna need is probably the second most important thing, and that is a nail glue. The one that I use is by Miss Claire, and this is what it looks like. Of course, it's going to be linked in the description box below. And the most important item are these nails. So I got these from Shein.com, and these were for I think 200 rupees or something on those lines. They have a huge collection of these nails, but for today I'm going to be using these coffin shaped mauve nails. Now before I start showing you guys how I do my nails, this is like a really quick before. My nails are very brittle, very thin, and yeah, they're just not pretty on their own. So we're gonna fix them now. Now the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all of these nails and pick out the ones that fit my nail bed perfectly. So the ones that I think fit like mediocrely okay as well, I'm going to put them aside. So just to show you guys at a close-up, this is how the nail should fit you. It should kind of seamlessly sit on top of your nail. So I have all 10 of my nails laid out here. You need to understand that the nails that come in this set are like a size that is made to fit everyone. So not all the nails are going to fit your nail bed perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my nail file and start filing them. So it's always a better idea to pick out nails that are a little bit bigger than your nail bed, and you can always file them down to the size of your nail. Don't pick ever nails that are smaller than your nail bed, because it's just gonna fall out eventually because it doesn't fit, like sit perfectly on your nail bed. Now once I'm happy with the sizes of the nails and I've shaped them down perfectly to my nail bed, I'm gonna start gluing them on. So the best part about this nail glue is that it comes with like a brush tip, so it just makes like the process of like applying the nails on much easier and hassle free as well. I like to lay it down flat first, take the tip of the nail glue and then apply a generous coat. After which I'll take the nail and then place it on top of my nail and press it down for 10 seconds at least. Now I would suggest taking a cloth and pressing it down a few more times, because sometimes the glue leaks out from the sides. So press it down well. And I'm gonna press it down again for 10 more seconds, and then I'm gonna do the same step for all the other nails. Now once I've glued all of my nails on, I feel like sometimes like the edges are very sharp and you can literally scratch your face with them. So I like to go back with the filer and just kind of smoothen out the edges, I guess. But you want to make sure to do that maybe after 5 minutes of applying the nails, because you don't want to start like buffing like the sides of your nails when the glue is still wet.
and this is what my nails look like finally. I really like the way they've turned out. You can see that there's a little bit of glue and stuff like that left still on the nails, but don't worry about it. It's gonna wash off, like go away in a couple of washes, like hand washes. So yeah, this is a really quick after of my nails.
And that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and of course found it helpful. All the products that I've mentioned in today's video are going to be linked in the description box below. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!